अगर ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद भी पेरेंट्स के मनी पर हो इट हिट्स, आई गेस एवरी स्टूडेंट विल रिलेट.
अनपेड इंटर्नशिप्स होते हैं ना स्टार्टिंग में. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव स्किल्स दैट गिव्स यू अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ स्टार्ट एंड इट हेल्प्स यू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
Why this word founder X came into the play? Why not any other name?
If you will check the spelling of the founder, at the end it will be DR, not DER. So DR stands for Dipti and Rajeshwari.
LinkedIn is it is a gold mine. It's a very powerful platform that helps you grow.
अगर आपका पोस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्म कर रहा है, that will be personalized to you. Everything happening in your life has a story. That's my punchline, that everything has a story.
How do you see that, the integration of the community as well the authenticity?
Community, I believe, is the heart of personal branding. When you talk to people, you get a lot of ideas exchanged.
How many clients do you manage in a particular day?
People, recognize brands from people love when, founders come up with their face to the brand. AI, we should use it. It makes the process more easy.
One founder you'd love to ghostwrite for? आज का एपिसोड बहुत अहम है. क्यों? अगर आप एक फाउंडर हैं और आपको ये नहीं पता कि आप अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स इस चीज़ को स्ट्रगल करते हैं, तो हमने दो अहम गेस्ट को बुलाया जिनको अब हम शुरुआती से ही थोड़ा सा आपको इंट्रोडक्शन उनका देंगे और प्लस वो खुद भी अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगी. बट वी रियली नीड टू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग मीन्स टू अ फाउंडर. So welcome to another episode of the Collaborative Canvas podcast where we bring together voices shaping the future of the business, branding and growth. Today I'm joined by two incredible women who are redefining what it means to be the personal brand and build a personal brand that actually drives business results. Deepti Sharma and Rajeshwari Jha, they are the co-founders of Founder X. There's a story behind Founder X, so we'll come back to that as well. A LinkedIn personal branding agency built on the belief that every founder has that X. A unique story, a positioning, or a perspective that makes them unforgettable. Deepti, with her background in content strategy, ghostwriting, and her MBA journey, focuses on helping founders turn their LinkedIn profiles into the client-winning assets through storytelling and consistency. Whereas Rajeshwari, with her experience in ghostwriting for 40+ leaders and optimizing profiles for some of the best Indian top creators, is passionate about helping founders become category leaders by uncovering their magnetic brand identity. Together, they have built Founder X into a powerhouse that transformed nerves first posts into unstoppable personal brands. And today, we will deep dive into their journey, their approach, and the lessons they are bringing to the founders everywhere. So welcome, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So Deepti, I just gave a little background about who Deepti is and who Rajeshwari is, but for the founders, for the creators, for the LinkedIn viewers, as well as for the family that I have on LinkedIn, and to the audience who's going to listen it. Let's take a deep dive into who Deepti is and who Rajeshwari is.
Yeah. So the Dipti, on LinkedIn had a very different life from, back of the LinkedIn. When I was in my school, I always wanted to have something my own. And I always had this thing that I want to do something big in my life. I wasn't having a framework, what will I do, but I will surely do something big. I come from a very small place from Bihar, Purnia. I did my schooling there. My father is in government job, so we were there only. And we did our schooling together. There is where I met Rajeshwari in class 1, and we are best friends since 2008. So after my schooling, I chose the commerce background. Ultimately, did all the study framework that we all do. Then it came the time of lockdown and the college time. Now there till that time only we decided that okay, we want to do something and we want to become financially independent. But in my journey, that was postponed. Didn't do anything that time, just studied and just continued. When I completed my graduation in 2023, I was like, now it's the time I want to do something of my own. I cannot, now can rely on my parents' money. That wasn't something that was something actually I did not want to. अगर ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद भी पेरेंट्स के मनी पर हो इट हिट्स, आई गेस एवरी स्टूडेंट विल रिलेट. एंड देन देयर केम आई वाज अप्लाइंग एवरीवेयर ऑन इंटर्नशाला, लिंक्डइन एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट at least I could get something, but I was struggling, to be very honest. Then it came to the part where in 2024, I started as a content writer, the very first thing. Then I switched to an, like in the middle, I lost my grandmother. The time was very bad. It hit me that what am I doing in my life? I want to do something that I want to make her very proud. And when, in Hindu, we have a 13 days cremation ceremony. And during that, I got my first offer letter. And that time, I was like, should I go with my emotions and not accepting this, or should I accept and move on? And I chose the second part. That was very hard for me. I was really working on that time when everything in my home was at another different level. But that is something was a rocket in my life. I started from there. Then again, I got a better job offline. I worked there. And unfortunately, because of my health issues, I had to shift to an online job. Now, that was a time where she helped me, like she pushed me a lot that you just start writing. I'm there to help you. And then I started as a LinkedIn content strategist. I learned, and if you see my journey on LinkedIn, that is not a very long journey. It is from January, and January till now I have 10,000 followers. I'm helping a lot of founders to build their personal brand on LinkedIn with renowned founders whom I have helped, and it has been overall a great journey. Currently studying also, so that everything is like something I have dreamed of my life.
I think
And
दादी की
doing,
blessings से साथ चल रही है.
हाँ, I wish she could be there and I could make her proud, but yeah.
I'm sure she's definitely proud because I can see, the amount of work you're doing on LinkedIn, and definitely, she got 10,000 followers. Rajeshwari.
Yes. So we share a very similar journey. My journey started back in 2020. I come from a similar place, a small city in Bihar. So, but I always had this, desire within me that I want to get financially independent. So back in 2020, we did not have a lot of opportunities, and lockdown also hit. So I could not, get more into some offline jobs or something. So I started searching for things online, work from home opportunities. I made accounts on Fiverr, on Upwork, and even Naukri.com. But no one was there to, कि मतलब that time I did not have any skill or something. तो वो थोड़ा obvious हो जाता है कि why would people hire me? So I started into freelancing. I started searching for YouTube videos कि what can I do in this field. So back then I did not have the skills. So in freelancing also you require certain amount of skills कि content writing or social media marketing, anything that you can go with. But उस टाइम में स्किल्स नहीं थे, बट स्टिल आई थॉट ऑफ नो आई कैन नॉट गिव अप ऑन दिस, आई नीड टू डू समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन. सो उस टाइम में आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप. दैट वॉज एन अनपेड इंटर्नशिप. नाउ आई वॉज वेरी डाइसी अबाउट दैट कि वाई शुड आई गो फॉर एन अनपेड इंटर्नशिप. लोग बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा काम करवाते हैं, बट उस टाइम में वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू इवन टेल द यूथ कि जो अनपेड इंटर्नशिप्स होते हैं ना, स्टार्टिंग में इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव स्किल्स, unpaid internship are a good thing actually for your career. मतलब वो तुमको that gives you a different level of start, and it helps you learn a lot of things. Now coming back to my journey, there's a short funny story to that. Actually my parents wanted me to do CA. So my father was like कि CA में enroll कर लो, and I was juggling with unpaid internships and everything कि मुझे तो पैसे बनाने हैं. And then I came across a course wherein they taught about freelancing and content writing and everything. I wanted to take that course basically. So I went to my papa and lied to him that CA के registration form आ गए and they are asking for 10,000 and I need to register.
पापा
for
भी
that.
सुनेंगे.
Yeah, Papa might be listening to that, and this is the first time I'm mentioning it somewhere. मतलब ये मुझे तक था, मेरे तक था always. So if Papa is listening, I'm sorry, but I lied to you that time. But उस टाइम में मैंने उनको बोला कि I need this 10,000 मुझे चाहिए, मुझे CA के registrations के लिए चाहिए. So without a doubt, he just gave that to me. Now I took the course from that. अब उसके बाद आती है मेरी guilt. Why did I lie to my parents? I could have they have always supported me in my journey. That they कोई मतलब नहीं बनता था कि go and lie to them. So I took that as a challenge that within the next 30 days I will be making that 10,000 amount of my own. अगर मैं उसको invest कर रही हूँ, and surprisingly within the next 32 days I made 15,000 amount. with freelancing. I started into content writing and then social media marketing.
फिर
So,
वो
you know,
10,000 पापा को दे दिया, बोले कि सीए का.
no, I did not give that to him. I did not give that to him. मतलब फिर बाद में CA का obviously he started asking, तो मैंने बोला कि अभी interest नहीं है, I do not want to go forward with that. But yeah, coming back to my journey, then over these years when I started into freelancing, I jumped into a lot of jobs and a lot of marketing agencies. So today I have the experience of working with 4+ marketing agencies and also 40+ founders and coaches. So मतलब personal branding for me, like currently when I do it, I love it. I started with writing. I loved, I was a very introvert person in the starting. तो वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है over this journey, talking to people and थोड़ा मतलब जगल करते हो आप इस फील्ड में कि मतलब freelancing is something wherein you will have to take clients, you will have to get into meetings, and I was the person who used to run from calls. So over these years, it has taken me a lot of courage and effort, and every day I've built myself, and yeah, that is what I am.
जैसे अगेन एक पॉडकास्ट में मैंने ये भी कहा था, जब जिद अगर आप लेके चलते हैं ना, तो उसी जिद के पीछे अगर आप भागते हैं तो फिर आपको सक्सेस मिलती है. और वो हमारी 3 Idiots में भी बोला है, ठीक है, एक्सेलेंस के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस अपने आप आती है. आई थिंक जो सवाल मैं पूछना भी चाहता था राजेश्वरी, वो यही कि एक इंट्रोवर्ट होते हुए भी यू हैव सक्सीडेड वेल सो फार. आई मीन, आई थिंक I started following you a couple of weeks ago, and when I was going through all those posts, you mentioned a couple of things about, एक MBA versus an employee, and then introvertism, and then you've been pretty famous across your fraternity, जो कि ज़्यादातर लोग नहीं हो पाते हैं और वो बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं. उसके पीछे की कोई स्टोरी है जिसमें आप you can tell कि exactly how you overcome those, क्योंकि a lot of people still struggle. मैं ऐसे कईयों को जानता हूँ जो इंट्रोवर्ट हैं और वो अपने इंट्रोवर्टिज्म को तोड़ना भी नहीं चाहते. they wanted to live there.
Yeah, so again, talking about my journey, where as I mentioned, that I was a complete introvert starting. I used to run away from client meetings, but one day, actually, I would like give you a short glimpse about. We'll be talking about this later, but there are these founder meets happening in our cities. When we used to live in Kolkata, so there was this founder meet. So when that form came, I glared at it for a while, and then I was like, should I fill it or should I not? There will be a lot of people, a lot of big founders will be coming there. So I would not be able to interact with them. So what is the use of going there? But something happened inside कि मैंने वो form fill कर लिया तुरंत कि no, I should definitely go it. And even on that day I was questioning myself a lot, preparing myself, how will I go and talk to people. But when I went there, that gave me an immense amount of confidence. That literally boosted my confidence. And I love
the credit goes to Saheli.
Yes, Saheli. Saheli has been my mentor always. Like even the freelancing thing, I would like to mention her here also. Saheli Chatterjee, you've been an inspiration to me, and she's helped me a lot. She has been my mentor. I have watched all her YouTube videos regarding content writing and social media marketing. So this entire freelancing का जो buzz है, so वो मैंने सहेली से ही सीखा है, and that she has helped me grow a lot in my career.
एक चीज़ जो मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ कि जेनजीज का ना एक अलग टेम्परामेंट है, एंड राजेश्वरी इज अ टेस्टामेंट ऑफ हाउ टू किल दोज फीलिंग्स व्हिच आर पुशिंग यू बिहाइंड द बार्स. And the way she came up, if you go actually and read her post, which again I'll give the description of both the women at the end of the video, आप एक बार जब उनको देखेंगे तो आपको भी समझ में आएगा कि यार हमारे लिए पर्सनल ब्रांड कितनी अहमियत रखता है. Rajeshwari and Deepti, this is basically for both. Why this word Founder X came into the play? Why not any other name?
Yeah, so this Founder X has a story. Like if you will check the spelling of the founder, at the end it will be DR, not DER. So DR stands for Dipti and Rajeshwari, and for the X part, she can tell you the story, X factor of the Founder X.
Yes, so X, I believe, what we believe is, every founder has an X, whether it's your story, whether it's your perspective, whether it's your strength. And a lot of founders are not able to find that. I see a lot of founders, coming on LinkedIn and copying creators' strategies. कि creators ऐसे post करे तो हम भी करेंगे. It does not work like that.
Correct.
Every founder should have a voice of their own, and that's what makes them stand out, and that is what exactly we help founders with.
So how did you realize कि LinkedIn is the platform where you can build the base?
Yeah. So when I started building on LinkedIn, and when I saw that I have started getting projects over here, and I have been making so much of money from LinkedIn just by reaching out to people, just by putting out content that gives value to people. And I also have an example for this. Just last month there was this I was working with this career coach, and he basically helps people with job interviews. So he did not use LinkedIn for a while. All his clients would come from either word of mouth or referrals. So I suggested LinkedIn to him, and then we leveraged his LinkedIn. We prepared a content strategy and everything. And just last week I had this call with me, and he said that, Rajeshwari, I got 40 new leads from LinkedIn, and it made me 15 lakhs of business, and I did not know that LinkedIn was so powerful. And that time I believed that that is the power of LinkedIn. And honestly, to be honest, even us today, we are merely 22, 23, and we did not imagine that we would come on a podcast this early. And you found us through our LinkedIn. So that is what I think, that LinkedIn is it is a gold mine. It is a very powerful platform that helps you grow, that helps you build your personal brand, and you get a lot of opportunities.
No,
from
it
that.
does, because I think the first post that I saw from Deepti was from the Kolkata meet that you guys were in.
Yeah.
And some of our mutual connection actually tagged you, or you probably tagged them. And then I realized there's somebody who's created at a very young age, and I got inquisitive about क्या है वो कहानी, वो founder X के पीछे क्या स्टोरी है. और जैसे हर बार दीप्ति कहती है ना, there's a story. आपकी हर पोस्ट में एक स्टोरी होती है.
Absolutely, because we believe like अगर आपका post outstanding perform कर रहा है, that will be personalized to you. You cannot just write anything on LinkedIn and get it outperformed. So that is why I believe that. So yeah.
बट हर स्टोरी इतनी रिलेट करती है कि यू गाइस आर कैप्चरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस अराउंड द लिंक्डइन होल प्लेटफॉर्म.
Actually,
मतलब
the thing
एक घंटे के अंदर सो मेनी पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट, कमेंटिंग इट. तो आप इतना कैसे रिलेट कर लेते हो?
Actually, the thing is that on LinkedIn, if you put up something, हम सबकी लाइफ में वो हो रहा होता है. It's just that I am putting up, I am talking about it, and you can relate it. That's only the thing we do. Like अगर आप मुझे follow कर रहे हो, you are seeing my LinkedIn post, and if it isn't relating to you, then that is something I'm talking out of the world. And if you're relating it to it, that is something why will people connect अगर वो मेरे से relate ही नहीं कर पाए? If I'm talking about my struggles, if I'm talking about I have made something in my life in my so young age, if I'm talking about my friends are proud of me, my parents are proud of me, and they say me, and I just share all those things. Also, the knowledge I have about the personal branding, I share that on the LinkedIn, and that is something people can take keynotes of that, or something that they are relating and can get a little bit of motivation that agar isne kar diya to main bhi kar sakti hu. That is a great thing that I can find. Today in my classroom, I help everyone. You want to make it, I'm there to help you. I just have this thing that, because in early days we didn't have any mentor who will help us how to grow, and that is the thing we are like we call her RJ. So it's like RJ, and we discuss it that हम जितने लोगों की help कर सकते हैं ना, हम करेंगे. That is the thing we have.
And that is the impact that we want to create. It's not just, business success is not just in terms of numbers to us. It's more of an impact. Like, we want to help youth. With, especially I see this gap everywhere. A lot of people want to be financially independent, but they shy off कि मैं क्यों जाके बोलूँ, मैं किससे help मांगूँ. They watch the YouTube videos and उन्हें नहीं help मिलती, and then they just skip that. And a lot of people of our age, they feel that they are a burden on their parents. सबको financial independent होना है, but they do not have a roadmap to it. So that is one gap that we want to fill. We want to help youth.
Yeah, indeed. I think the amount of posts that I've read from both of you, it has a start, then it has a climax, and then it has a result.
Yeah.
So how do you frame that? Considering that there are 600 people who are liking that post, आप वो story सबसे relate कर पा रहे हो क्या? तभी वो likes आ रहे हैं, right? और वो भी अलग अलग वैरायटी के likes आ रहे हैं. कोई love दे रहा है, कोई support दे रहा है, कोई actually thumbs up दे रहा है. But वो एंड स्टोरी का जो क्लाइमेक्स से रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेशन आता है, हाउ डज इट मैच, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ कैटेगरी दैट यू आर रीचिंग आउट टू, नॉट जस्ट फाउंडर्स बट आई मीन एज राजेश्वरी मेंशन्ड कि वो आपकी एज के भी हैं, तो आपको पता है कि वो किस तरह के लोग होते हैं?
Yeah, it's like if we start about if you talk about the post writing that we do, So we have, certain instructions to do the post. We do have, and that is something like, if the post is not about just हम ज्ञान बस दे रहे हैं अपने
हाँ.
post पे, it should be conversational first of all. Second thing is like, अगर हम बात करें अपने whatever story we are putting, every story in your life something happens that has a result. Same goes for LinkedIn. If I'm talking about something, what can be the outcome of that I need to put there? If something like, why will I talk if something is not meaningful? I will not go and talk on LinkedIn. That I cannot just put anything on my LinkedIn because I have something on my LinkedIn. So that is what we keep in our mind. And if I said about like my age, if you will see, I am 22, 23 now. Why I can relate with all, like why people can relate with my posts, some, first of all, I'm also a student like everyone, so I know the struggle. I have also gone through that struggle. So I know, and I also know that how you can fix it up. Now I'll say to students also, like if you just come up ranting that I'm not getting an internship, I'm not getting a job, how will I do it? Instead of ranting, go and work on your skills, and that is somewhere that will take you upward and upward. That won't take you, that will be something great for your career. So that is how I think students can relate. And about the founders and everything, because I have been working with so many co-founders and founders, I know their mindset. And that, I think that is great for both of us, that in such a young age we can relate with people who are even 50, 60, 40s. So that is how I think people can relate with our LinkedIn post of all
And you
age.
mentioned a point that uh, we're basically their voice.
Yeah.
How do you ensure कि वो authenticity रहे आपके tone में?
Yes, again, speaking of how we get founders ka voice, matlab obviously the person is unknown to me. I haven't met that person personally. I do not know how he talks, how he converses with people. So that requires a process. Whenever, I'll give you an example, whenever we onboard a client, we set up an onboarding call. We get to know about their journey. We send them a in-depth questionnaire wherein they talk about what kind of what kind of tone, what kind of style, what kind of words they want to avoid in their content. So we basically get the entire framework to start with. Now when we start writing the content, again, founders need to be involved in the process. You cannot just give the work to the ghostwriters and expect some very good results very soon. You have to be involved in the process. Now again, not very in depth, because that is what they have hired us for. They do not want to give so much of time in that. But again, some amount of the time, be it 15-20 minutes apne day ka, and whenever we write a content, we make sure that we take their in-depth feedback. Like if this is the line that they do not want, what do they want, they did not like about that line, what is their perspective. So again, when we do the proper topics research for our clients, we make sure that every topic is sent to them and we get their perspective. For example, suppose if a founder is in the fintech industry, now his perspective, his in-depth knowledge would be far richer than mine, what I have. So obviously, when I send the topics to him, I try to get his perspective on that, and that is something that makes the content stand out from the rest of the founders, from the crowd, basically.
So every founder has a story, and it is authenticated by the conversations that you have.
Yes, yes.
और आपने कहा कि उनसे वो they make some leads and they make some profits through that.
Right.
So कितना टाइम लगता होगा?
Now again, if we talk about our framework, it we always tell to our clients that it is a 90 days process. Now the 90 days process, it is divided into 30 days. The month one, the first 30 days, we focus on positioning. Month two, we focus on content, and month three, we focus on consistency. Now, talking about positioning, the month one, we focus completely on discovery and experimentation. We experiment different styles. Month one, say it is not key. We suppose this is working for this founder, we'll be copying that strategy. It's not like that. We try and experiment everything. What is working on his profile? What can be improvised? And by the end of 1 month, we get a in-depth monthly analytics report made, wherein we see what has worked, and going forward in the next month, we double down on what has worked, and we revise the strategy of what kind of content is not working for him.
So first 30 months में वो experimentation होता है?
First month.
Sorry, first 30 days में वो experimentation होता है?
Yes, that is completely experimentation. We try out different post formats, carousels, images, different types of topics, what is working on his
And you analyze
profile.
every single action that is happening on
Yes,
Yeah,
we
we take
analyze every single
report.
post. We also see the audience mix, what kind of audience are interacting interacting with the post, because there's this mismatch. If your audience is suppose students and professionals and you're speaking to founders and tech people, so that creates a, that is why people बहुत सारे post viral नहीं जाते हैं. You'll have to have this audience mix figure out. Now once the positioning is done, the next 30 days we focus on the content part. We try to get them on calls, we get their feedback on the content, we mold ourselves into their voice. Once that is done, month 3 is focused on consistency. That is the month we focus on the growth. We put out consistent content, and now that we are more clear about their writing style, more clear about their topic, more clear about their knowledge, more clear about basically the knowledge of the industry that they are in. So that is something that we do in these 3 months, and the third month we see insane results for it.
दोनों के बीच में वो काम कैसे डिवाइड होता है?
Yeah, so basically, as we said, हम दोनों बहुत different हैं, very different. Now, if you'll ask me about the अभी we use a lot of tools. So अब tools पे like we use Notion and all. तो कौन से client को कौन सा doc जाना है, कितने दिन में जाना है, and everything is managed by her. I mean, she is the one वो neat and tidy रखना OCD person, and I am the one, if I'm sleeping and you will ask me, Dipti, come up, we have 3 meetings. I'll be like, fine, I'll take it. So over the communication part, like it is like I'm the one who will take care of. And apart from that, if we come to the topic research part, if we come to the content writing part, both of us work on that. Like it is like wherever, if she has been working with the founders and coaches more, then I would surely come and ask her that you just see that I did this, is it okay for the client or not? Same goes like for me. So we just divide these work, and apart from that, the thing is like we are together, and if sometimes she is not available, I'm there to take, there to do the work, and same goes for me also. If I'm not available, then she. And like there has never been an issue that मैं कर रही हूँ तो तुम क्यों नहीं वाला चीज.
एक issue तो हुआ होगा ना, because she's an OCD person. तो जब
Yeah,
आप उसको handover देते होगे तो वो बोलती होगी ना
she
यार.
scolds me. She will just take, what is this? What you have done? Why is there not an arrow? You just used a dot and not an arrow. And it's like, does that make any difference? And she'll be like, yeah, it does. So because of her, I am becoming that person now, that I have to keep things, because I know मुझे बाद में सुनना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा, उससे better है अभी कर लो. So that is how we work.
So I am into more of content delivery part. I focus on that high quality content should reach out to the clients, and she is more of a back end pay. She keeps things, even with the team. Dipti spends a lot of time with our team also.
All the communication.
How big is the team?
Currently we have 3 interns working under us. So we have a training process. Like we are ready to give you the work, but we will be training you. You will have to give your 7 days to work, and wherein we see your willingness to work with us. And that is something that we work on while even when we are in the meeting with the interns, they are genuinely willing to learn कि आप हमें ये बता दो, this is not working, this client is replying, how do we reply to that essay. So मतलब that is more of कि we take interns and we give them a training of 7 days, and then they are a part
So when you
of the
take the interns, do you interview them?
Yeah.
Yes.
And how rigorous is the interview?
It's very like, we just want to see that you want to work or not. I will teach you everything. You are a fresher, you don't know about anything, you don't have a LinkedIn account, doesn't matter for me. I'll teach you how to do that. It's just that you should have that thing that मुझे सीखना है. That's the thing we want. And
Without zeal, there's no scope.
Yeah, exactly.
Of course. एक राजेश्वरी आपने बात कही थी कि and citing to the Kolkata meet again. So how do you see that the integration of the community as well the authenticity in your experience that you have learned through these events work?
Yes. So community, I believe, is the heart of personal branding. While I was an introvert, when I was working these marketing agencies, a lot of times there were moments wherein, I just used to lie to the team that मेरी तबीयत खराब है, I won't come on calls, I won't attend this meeting. I used to run away from meetings, and then I recognized that, to grow in this field, you'll have to talk to people. Because when you talk to people, you get a lot of ideas exchanged.
True.
You get to learn from them a lot. So that is one thing that, over these years, I've tried to build up within me that I I make myself uncomfortable. I throw myself to situations कि मतलब go and talk to people, go into the, and that is one thing जो कोलकाता वाला founder meet था, that also came, started like this. I went to the founders meet, and even after the founders meet, I got potential collaborators also. A person asked me to join as a co-founder with them, and then 2 to 3 people also wanted to work with me. So I
And
thought
what kind of an organizations were there when you in that Kolkata founder meets?
different. There were designing agencies, more of who are into tech,
Social
and then
medias.
social media, and mainly the LinkedIn
Got it.
personal branding thing.
So that's all around media and
Yeah.
development. Got it. So as a ghostwriter and a strategist, how do you balance this whole authenticity when it comes to covering someone's voice, which you mentioned a bit of, but
Yes.
as a separatist, I mean, आप एक certain काम करते हो, आप उसमें भी identify करते हो, you go through a 90-day period with them. What specifically defines authenticity into that?
I feel that is communication with the founder.
And how often do you communicate?
We are ready for, like, it is obviously that they have a packed schedule more than us. So we make sure that at least you give us 1 week, one call in a week. You're not available for the Gmeet, we are fine, we'll talk you on the call. But we need your inputs, because that is something will bring authenticity. Because if you are my client, how would I know about your life until unless you don't share
But
with
इसमें
me?
90 दिनों का वेरिएशन नहीं आता क्योंकि sometimes founders are so busy that they don't give you time enough.
Yeah, it happens. That is the actually reality. It happens a lot of time, but we are there, texting every day that please give us some input. We need this, and we have actually a questionnaire thing. Now, questionnaire is something that we give to the client when we onboard, and when we give you that, the kind of answers you give, like whoever founder gives to us, we just get a lot of stories, and that is something we can have for 3 months. That we have a lot of stories. We can bring your authenticity there. And apart from that, if we need anything, there are founders and our clients, usually they come and they let us know, okay, just delays for a week, 2 weeks, but ultimately they come and they give us. So that is something brings the authenticity to any post or anything we're
And
doing.
to add to what Dipti said, we make the founder feel more comfortable working with us. It's not a formal setting at all. We are not here, you'll have to come on a 1 hour Gmeet and then talk about certain things, give us. We make them feel very comfortable that कल को if I want is content पे perspective, hey client XYZ, can you please give us your ideas on this. So they are more than happy to just drop a voice note,
note
a
also.
text, or give us a random call and then say कि हाँ इसमें ये changes कर दो. So we make them feel more comfortable, and that is what suppose if I'm talking to a manager, and how I'm talking to Dipti is way different. I'll be able to express myself more than what I will be talking to the manager in a formal setting. So that is one thing that makes us stand out, that we make the founders comfortable working with us.
So कितने clients आप तकरीबन, मतलब 40 तो I know because of your post. How many clients do you manage in a particular day? Because that's a hell of a task. आज you're working with someone, उसका जवाब 2 दिन बाद आ रहा है. It's a lot of delay. How do you manage all these
Actually,
things?
that is why we have a team, because you cannot, if I can do it all alone also, she can also do it all alone. But kabhi na kabhi, to peak of time comes, because we are also studying and we have a lot of things else also going on. So that is why we have a team. But we make sure that the client communication is from our end. We make sure that, we have a kind of, I said she's a OCD person, so we have a sheet of like किस client group में क्या चल रहा
Got
है
it.
and all. So that is how we keep on track.
So जो हम थोड़ी देर पहले बात भी कर रहे थे, there's so many avenues available to write something, right? So I met a lot of ghostwriters. I gave them my perspective, but at the end of the day, I was not very happy with the output. And then it is ChatGPT which is available. It is Gemini, which is Claude, Grok, सब कुछ है वहाँ पे. People can easily, put their thoughts around. They can get everything out. But at the end of the day, when you post on LinkedIn, it says कि it can detect, or any social media site for that matter, can detect कि ये AI का script है, and it doesn't push that way. ये सही है.
Yeah, very true. Like if you put an up, like we won't lie, we also use AI, but जो last में एक human touch आता है ना, that is needs to be given by every human, and that is what will keep you different than other. If you just put a chat GPT को बोला मुझे इस पे post चाहिए and दे दिया, and then you put it on LinkedIn, that won't work. Because ultimately LinkedIn algorithm also won't support that. And if you know how we do is we also take the help of AI, but that AI, like we usually use Claude for writing because that is something very nice tool, and but that has a lot and lot of instructions, lot and lot of files, and those files, those things are, you know, made by by us, like whatever mistake we did, we just say that don't do this, because that has somewhere come from the experience or the learnings we got from wherever we worked and everything. And apart from that, like when we get a draft, then that is you know, being edited by us. There is a human edit given, so that is what something make it different from an AI post draft to our draft.
And to add to what Dipti said, I always believe that AI is the enabler or the efficiency tool, but the differentiator is human touch. Human touch is needed. वो आपको differentiate करेगा because you know, for example, suppose if there's a founder posting on LinkedIn, आजकल बहुत chatbots है wherein you know people automate the commenting part especially, but you know when आजकल फाउंडर का फेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ब्रांड, एज वी सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल एलॉन मस्क फॉर टेस्ला एंड नितिन कामत फॉर Zerodha. So people, you know, recognize brands from, people love when, you know, founders come up with their face to the brand. So coming back to the commenting thing that I was talking about. Now today we have a lot of AI tools for the commenting part and replying to, but at the end of the day, I would be able to recognize me as a audience that whether an AI has replied to me or a founder has replied to me, and that is something you turns on and off people on LinkedIn because अगर अब वो अपना टाइम निकाल के if they are going and they are adding some comment to some founder's post and अगर वो देख रहे हैं कि the chatbot is replying, तो वो एक human touch चला जाता है. That person might not go again and comment on that person. So that is one thing that I always believe is that human touch is the differentiator. And AI, we should use it. It, you know, makes the process more easy, but human touch should always be there.
तो एक बात और बताना राजेश्वरी कि the post is definitely, you know, it has a story, both of you guys, and you mentioned a lot into that, but how do you ensure कि वो engagement भी हो रहा है, क्योंकि आपके post पे engagement भी बहुत होता है.
Right. So again, talking about my post कि engagement क्यों होता है, I try
Hey,
to
let's not talk about your post because
yeah.
आपके तो अच्छी खासी fan following है, I can see that. But when you work with the founders, they also want, you know, that
Right.
that should happen. So अगर engagement नहीं है तो leads नहीं है, leads नहीं है तो business नहीं है.
See, like I'll give an example. Recently I onboarded a quality assurance QA client. Now if we'll talk about them, they have a very particular niche. His posts were getting 16, 17 likes, and before me, I wrote a post, and ultimately in the evening, I just posted in the morning, and in evening I'm seeing it's 2200 likes, 100 plus repost, and a lot of comments. And the only thing I found out in that post was I have delivered like on behalf of him, I have given something informational to his audience, what his audience actually want to see. That if he is following this person, I want some informations from him, but that information should always be correct. We make sure of that. And apart from that, you know, something that is not, you're not getting on any other articles and some vlogs or
So
everything.
what exactly the founder was posting?
It was about the quality assurance, like how AI और quality assurance जो भी हो रही है वो अभी automation होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए.
So general thought था वो.
General thought था, but with a good insightful things.
तो भी वो नहीं चल रहा था.
No, अच्छा, earlier what he was
exactly,
posting. हाँ, so it was like very generic things. Very generic. Now there is also a way to keep a generic thing. आप अगर एक generic post को भी डाल रहे हो ना, but आप उसको कैसे एक curiosity driven बनाओगे वो तो writers पे होता है.
Exactly.
My 2 lines of the post decide that this will work or not. If 2 lines of the post is called hook and that is if curiosity driven, तो लोग पढ़ेंगे कि इसने लिखा क्या है. So that is how I think that is how to put up a topic on LinkedIn is something that makes difference.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, scrolling ही है.
Exactly.
नहीं दिखा तो you scroll up.
Right.
Exactly.
That's good to know. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा trade secret इनसे नहीं पूछने वाला हूँ क्योंकि फिर it would not let that charm, you know, be there. और अगर आपको इनसे directly बात करनी है तो they're always available. I mean, I think Deepti is definitely that I have been reaching out to and she instantly reply. तो I can say, Deepti, that's kudos to you guys because you have actually cracked the code on lot many things. I know there are a lot of people who does, but they already have a fame and a name there, and which is why it works. But for you guys, when I started following you, and it's like 3 years of your time totally spent on understanding what content strategy should be, and you aced it. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so
And to end the conversation, there are a couple of questions I just wanted to rapidly fire on
Sure.
to you and to see what comes out of your mind.
Sure.
So to start with, either of you or both of you,
Okay.
one founder you'd love to ghostwrite for.
Praful Garg. We recently pitched to him. Regarding, because we've been seeing he has had this immense growth on Instagram recently. A lot of youth are loving him. But when we checked his LinkedIn, he's not, leveraging it. He's inactive there. So we would definitely love to write for Praful Garg. And also, our first internship was under Praful Garg. So that is why we would definitely love to.
Well, that's actually true because a lot of people who got name and fame on Instagram, they're nowhere there except Simplicity that I follow, that I see a lot of being there. The first word that comes to your mind when I say LinkedIn,
Gold mine.
Opportunities.
who's the morning person or a night owl?
Night owl.
Morning person.
One personal branding myth you busted in a single line.
Just posting anything on LinkedIn won't make you stand out.
And also, I believe that a lot of people, take LinkedIn ki cringe hai. You are over promoting yourself. That is not over promoting. You are just telling your story to the world. And I think if I have built something and I would want to tell my story to the world, I would want to inspire people. अगर कल को एक जन भी मेरे पोस्ट से उनको वैल्यू मिल रही है and they are getting some kind of an inspiration to start something of their own. So that would be my differentiator.
But ये cringe वाली बात मैंने पहली बार सुनी LinkedIn के लिए.
A lot of
People do.
mostly मतलब अभी I'll give an example. हमारे even class में a lot of teachers are recognizing us. We are doing an MBA currently, so a lot of professors are recognizing us through our LinkedIn ki we saw this girl's profile on LinkedIn, and a lot of students we tell them ki why don't you post on LinkedIn? How will you get a placement of you? And there needs to be the job seekers. They look for LinkedIn these days, but they're like, no, yaar, it's very cringe. It's not. What would I be posting about?
What would they post on Instagram?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. They won't think twice there. But agar we'll say about the LinkedIn part, they'll be like, kya hi post karo? We don't have anything. You are a founder, you can post, but we can't. Now, this is the mindset they have.
Being founders, what do you consume the most? Books or podcast?
Podcast.
Oh, फिर तो मेरा चलेगा. If not personal branding experts, what would have been you guys right now?
I would really love to do something in the part of speaking. I said I love, and if motivational speaker or something in this field. Like if you leave me to speak, I'll keep speaking till hours and hours. So something in
If
this.
not
Not say, of course.
personal, if not personal branding, I would be owning a dance studio.
Oh.
I really love dancing, and back in class 9th and 10th, I had this dream that when I grow up, I'll be, I'll be a choreographer. I'll be, teaching dance, going to cities, a lot of workshops that are happening. So I always loved dance, and that is something, gives me abhi bhi. Whenever I'm very stressed, I dance. I do semi-classical dance, by the way. And if I would not be in this field, I would definitely have taken my passion.
I'm sure you guys would reach out to that someday because right now you guys are building something which is exclusive and not many people actually do that. So ladies and gentlemen, that was a powerful conversation with Deepti and Rajeshwari. Their passion for helping founders find their voice, and with that X factor that we talked about, it's very contagious and it proves that LinkedIn branding is about more than just a content. It's about clarity, connection, and credibility. From Deepti's emphasis on storytelling with purpose and to Rajeshwari's belief that expertise only matters when it's seen, today's episode leaves us with a clear message. Your personal brand is your growth engine, and when done right, it attracts the right opportunity instead of chasing them. And remember that conversation that Rajeshwari mentioned. See, I'm so excited about it that if you can get leads, you can get business. So Deepti and Rajeshwari, thank you so much for making time out. And I know that you've been pretty much busy with both of this stuff, with your MBA and with your work. And all best wishes for you to scale things up. And I hope and I wish that you end up with your dreams as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so
It's
much.
a long way to go. So best of luck.
Thank you so much. And it's an honor to be here. So thank you so,
So
much.
much,
This was
yeah.
our first podcast and we were not ready for this. And so it is such a good experience over
No,
here.
you guys aced it. Every single question that I gave beyond my script, you worked out very well. And it's a good story to be there. So you just have to ensure that, if you're building a business, just remember this. Your product might get started, but your personal brand will set you apart. And that's the magic of Founder X. So that's a lesson that you should take with yourself forward from today. And if you've missed subscribing to my episodes, please do, sir, because that's what I need. And to all the beautiful ladies out there who are not subscribing, because I actually called up two beautiful ladies here and they're charming up my episode, and I want you to also take this share out of it. So thanks again, and I'll talk to you more about later on.
Sure. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank you.
much.